We're ready. Flight team standing by. What? What's ring? Oh, yeah. Gemini, which like a very like now 2200 at the photo. So now we have to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Keep that gun pointed right at it. We have video. Copy that. We have video. We are stable. Do circles down. Circles down will be the easiest on the drone. We're at 2,300 meters. We deployed way too early. Do you want to try a free fall? That's probably going to be our best bet. Free fall down to 1,500 and then catch it from there. It's not descending. Wind. Free fall. We're trying free fall. Do we have eyes? We have eyes. The drone's too small, it's gonna be rocket. We are so high if our battery dies. What's our altitude? Altitude 950 and falling. Attempting to stabilize. Turn the... Yeah, the camera's foggy. It's too cold up there. We have condensation on the camera. This is gonna be real fun. Temperature at altitude. Condensation on camera. We are flying by GPS. Whoever's causing that feedback, walk away or turn your radio off. $590 and falling. We're gonna attempt free fall again. Free fall.
Yes. It's stabilized.
Are you done? They're about to start. Turn around.
Shanahan, check in. You got visual? Who has visual? Who's watching? Nobody. Find it.
Right. Right.
That's not helpful.
200 meters.
Meters stabilized. 200. That's what I'm telling you. We have zero vision right now.
You're over it. You're over it. Yeah.
You need to turn left.
Right. Yeah, there you go.
Come on, guys, find it. It's not that far away. It's straight north. Yeah, you need to stop the thing. What? 1,000 meters due north. Stop descending. You are close to the ground. You are 20 feet. Drone is down. Drone is down. Come on.
Drone is down.
People ever.
Okay, good luck. Look at the shot. Just gonna push the back. Hit the signal. Going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Green fire. Oh, it's Christmas.
All right. Somebody be calling out what's going on.
We got some bugs. The range is clear.
Derek, BTX. Derek, you have visual? Because I don't have visual. We have visual. I can't see anything. I want to make sure that cable's plugged in without disturbing him too much. We're at 7,000 feet and falling. 7,000 feet and falling. I'm supposedly getting data, but the screen isn't recording anything.
Okay, we're waiting for them to rocket.
Copy that. Our pilot is visual, but we don't have monitor. We're upside down, it looks like. Is that right?
The drone is out. I'm looking to out there today. We have people, well, 3 people.
Servo work, we're disconnected.
One of them, you'll see control.
Kevin. $3,000 feet and falling. Drone stabilized. We're at 400 meters, entering free fall. Where do we stabilize at? You're east-northeast, you need to turn west. Okay, guys, I need an altitude. We're at 500 feet and stable. Stable 135 meters. You are.
Okay, cool. Go back in. What is the next word? What is the point? Don't know. Okay.
We're 50 meters. Gotcha.
This is only above ground.
Right. Turn right. Turn the drone left.
We hear the dog. We hear the dog.
Do we have visual? Hey. Yes, that's them. Guys, you want to start calling?
Well done. Well done. I still have left answer. One more time.